I had some pretty major problems after buying my home that was next to a buildable vacant lot. Now, I'm a real estate agent. I should have known better, but I fell in love with this house. And by the way, I'm still in love with my home. But my hope is that you can learn from my mistake and you can be aware of the potential problems of buying a new home that's next to a buildable vacant lot. Now, first up, I thought they would build a cute little adorable home next to my home. Boy, was I wrong because they built this behemoth house that comes right up to the fence line. Now, the home blocks the light in my backyard, but that actually doesn't bother me too bad. It was the bang, 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 boom that happened for a year. And working from home, boy, that was challenging and really frustrating. Then they finished, and a year later, the new owners didn't clean out their gutters. So all the rain from that enormous roof was causing water to fall into my backyard like a waterfall and created a brand new pool in my backyard. Now, with that new pool that my neighbors graciously gifted me, then came the flooding in my finished basement from the pooling for month after month until a contractor was finally available to begin the $29,000 worth of work to waterproof my basement and refinish it. Now, everything is fine now, and I love my home, but I'm not sure if I'll ever buy next to a vacant lot ever again. So you might want to think twice about that too.